Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Sharma here, and you're watching something sitting right here that is a WLToys amphibian. Now I'm really confused about these numbers like Q535, or I don't know what kind of numbers are these. Let's not get confused with the numbers. This is the WLToys amphibian 3-in-1. That means it's a quadcopter. It can fly, you can drive it on the road, and you can actually drive it in the water like a boat. You can even play with it like a boat in the water. Now I remember previously when I was in Dubai, I received one of this and I made a video review of this, but there was no water for me to actually enjoy and see how well it performs in water. I drove it on the sand, considering that as a water. But that wasn't the right test. Today we are at the right place because the river is right there. And I'm just gonna fly it right here on at the RC airport to show how it flies and how it drives on the road on concrete, and then we'll bring it to water right away and enjoy some water play with this WLToys 3-in-1 amphibian. Okay, everything is ready. I have charged the battery properly, and this morning I checked once again that it's fully charged. Now this boat or flying boat or amphibian is completely waterproof, and even the charging port is secured with waterproof rubber right here, so it should not get any kind of water in. Alright, time to check it out. Okay, something happened. It did something. Oh, lights are on. Okay. Let's just put it down because I don't want to press the wrong button and let it fly away. Right now we are on a 40% speed. I'll just put it on 80% speed. Okay. And there you go. So you can fly it like a quadcopter. Which it does very well. It flies very well as a quadcopter. And you can actually drive it. So the rotors will tilt. If you put it in a driving mode, you just press the left button on top of the radio and rotors will tilt forward, and now of course it will drive. But if you increase the throttle, it will take off like a plane. Now it's like kind of same thing. I just posted a video of my strange quadcopter. Remember, with the tilt rotors on the back? So it's almost the same thing, but this flight controller is actually doing very good. Alright, now we are in flying mode again. So basically, fly or drive, it's your choice. So I'm just gonna switch to forward mode. And there you go, driving around. And that's what we will do in the water. Sweet. And it handles wind very well actually, given that it's geared motors. So we have seen the flight before. It flies absolutely stable and it's really easy to control. Why not we bring it to the river and see what it can do. Okay, by the water side. Yesterday I was standing here, the water was lower, today water is higher. Basically I can actually stand there, fly it and drop it in the water, but I thought it would be better if I just put it in the water straight. Okay, one moment. I do not want to wet my shoes today. There you go. It's floating. So we'll shift it to boat mode. Now this should be more fun actually, playing this in the water. Oh, we took off. All right. is really more fun to play in water, man. Oh well, it's handling the water basically. Check it out. Nice, man. Very, very nice. So basically, this is more fun to play because you can fly it, you can drive it. Now we can have fun, man. Switch to flying mode, where we can have more fun flying it around. And we can definitely drop it in the water if we want. Boat mode or drive mode. Basically, if you hold the pitch forward, you can actually drive it faster. Ah! Oh, angry. So with that stance in forward mode, it keeps the nose up. That stance helps it to take off quick. And also, if you're coming really fast, you can just drop it and it will not put the nose down. But if you want to drive it on the water, you have to keep up with the front or forward elevator, forward pitch a little. Man, absolutely a fun toy. That was a nice dive. Oh, that was a big dive. I hope the WLToys have properly done the waterproofing. But again, I'm not worried because it's sweet water. There we go. I love it, man. It's absolutely a fun machine. Oh, we got too far. Yeah, yesterday I lost one plane there. I had to swim to get it. I don't want it to go behind those bushes, so I'll just keep it this way today. Man, this is absolutely fun to play with this in the water. When I was in Dubai and I reviewed it, I actually wasted a review trying it in the sand because you don't drive boats in sand, actually. Look how much fun it is to play here on the water, definitely. What happens if you go upside down? Well, to answer this question, I don't want to try it because I am not in the mood of swimming today. I have a lot more things to do as well today. So let's just fly it and have fun with it. You know, if they put some wings on it, I think it will do a very nice ground handling. Alright, battery is running out. Before it takes all the controls away from me, I will just take it away from the water. I think I made it dirty. I made it dirty. Yeah, I made it dirty. So I'm gonna put it in the water again, just to wash it. I hope it has enough charge to get up. Wash yourself, please. Wash yourself, just like that. Oh man, that's what I was worried about. See, that's what I was worried about. It has taken my power away. Come on, give me a little bit of power. Come on. Oh, no. rescue your RC. Okay. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.